Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a website with Wix easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, go to the Wix website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account once it's created. Click on the Create New Site button. Select your website category. Wix will provide you with different templates to choose from. Browse through the templates and pick one that fits your needs. Click Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. Familiarize yourself with the drag and drop interface. You can add elements by clicking the plus icon on the left sidebar. Choose from various elements like text, images, and videos. To customize text, click on the text box you want to edit. Type in your content and modify the font style as desired. Upload images by clicking on the media option in the sidebar. You can either select images from Wix or upload your own. Position your elements by dragging them to your preferred location. Make use of the Pages menu to add or edit website pages. Create navigation menus to help users move around your site easily. Once you're satisfied, click the Preview button to see how your site looks. Check for any adjustments needed before publishing. When ready, click the Publish button in the top right corner. Choose a domain name for your website. You can use a free Wix domain or connect a custom domain. After securing your domain, finalize the publication settings. Your website is now live on the internet. Share the link with others to let them explore your creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.